Hello guys, it's me, and today I'm gonna be playing They Lurk, the sequel to It Lurks. Let's begin. Begin. Chapter 1. Fugitives. Okay. Let's see what they say. Alright, we'll try to look for it. Well, there's a supply crate nearby. We need to find it now before it gets too dark. Okay, both of you stay here and then go outside. We'll be back as soon as possible. Oh, it's Grim again. Hey, Grim. No. Spring again. What? It's a desktop oven. To frost the bread in the oven. Will it get to the Grim part?
Grim, you want to sit next to your brother?
The Grim Reaper.
Here. Come on, this
Grim Reaper.
Can you move your leg a little?
Okay. I need to be. Is he now? Yes, I need to go now. Just wait until. No, I need to go freaking now. I can't hold it any longer. Okay then. I'll follow you outside. Never mind. I guess I'm alone here. Great. That's just great. That's great, dude. That's just great. Wait, no. Oh, bad timing. I guess you can find it on your own. Well, guys, it is going to be for today's video now. So I hope you guys enjoyed me playing this. Subscribe to my channel and please know the likes. As always, bye.